So for the blinkers or signals that I'm going to put on this bike, I've decided to go with these guys. They're an oval one, they're not round. I really like the design. So where I'm going to put them is around about here for a couple of reasons. One, because you know the shock is actually going to protect them from anything hitting here or your leg catching them. So that's a good little spot just here, and also the wires can be tucked up and over the mudguard or over the fender, and then gone into wherever they've got to be. So I think that's a good little spot for them. Just got to make a bracket obviously to mount them. So what I'm thinking about doing is just making something and welding it straight onto the actual frame on the underside, which will just be like, I guess, like this with a hole in it. Something else that I need to fabricate is the fender. This end of the fender needs to be tidied up. It's been mounted in 3 places, so here on both sides and also up here, it's pretty much bolted in. It's firm, it's nice and secure. I just need to figure out what I'm going to do here to tidy it up. I want something practical, but also something that looks nice and neat, so you stand here and it just doesn't look out of place. So I've still got to come up with that. If you do have any ideas, please let me know, leave me a comment, that would be awesome. But I've still got to fabricate something, so that'll be coming up in another video fairly soon as well. So it's time for me to give a couple of shout outs to two channels that I enjoy watching, 2 channels that you will probably enjoy watching as well. And what they are, they're 2 completely different channels. I like to give shout outs to people that are obviously being consistent with their videos, and also people that are obviously relative to what I'm doing, so stuff that you'll like to watch. So the first channel I want to give a shout out to is a guy in New York. His name's Chris. He has a channel called Make Everything, and he literally makes everything. From, you know, timber to steel to actually even showing you how to, you know, turn something that you can do into a business and showing you how to grow that, which is really cool. I think it's a really cool channel. His videos are fun to watch, so if you like watching things getting made, go and check him out. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. So the other channel I want to give a shout out to, I'm not sure of his actual name, but his channel is called The Illustrator. He's more of a motor vlogger, but he's recently started a K100 BMW cafe racer build. And it looks like he's fairly new to doing this sort of stuff, so it's really entertaining because he'll shoot everything and then he'll basically go over and narrate it, and he's very informative. So a really good channel to watch if you like BMWs or you like cafe races. Definitely go and check it out. I'll leave a link to that one as well. So 2 channels that I think you'll definitely like. Send them some love, tell them I sent you if you really want to. But anyway, let's get into the video. So had I thought about this, I probably would have cut the actual mounting tabs out at the same time as I did the rear ones, but never mind. Let's go and fire up that plasma again. Just kidding.